Today we are going to make this decoration piece for coffee table. Hey fellow crafters, welcome back to Craft Spinner. Today we are decorating this other broken glass and turn it into a chic center table piece. Do you remember when I was decorating my first broken glass? I told you in that video I had two of these. So today I am decorating the second broken glass. In that video I had shown how to cover the raw broken edges of glass with clay, and I had used this same glass for this purpose. That's why I can't show you how I have covered the dangerous glass edges. Don't worry, I am putting the link of that video in the description box. These are seasonal flowers, and I am going to use these seasonal flowers and leaves to decorate this glass. Put a dot of hot glue on the wrong side of the leaf and then stick it on the already stuck branches. We have stuck these branches, or in other words these wires, in clay when we were covering the edges of the glass. The gauge of this wire is 22 and it's a bit soft copper wire. Put a dot of glue on the bottom of the flower and then stick it on the branch. Hold the flower there for a while so that glue can take a grip and the flower can stick properly. When I had recorded my first video where I had decorated the first broken glass, I thought I wouldn't decorate this one here, but when I started to do it, it seemed to become something entirely different. So different and unique that I thought I should share it with my lovely viewers. By the way, if it's the first time you're visiting my channel, I'm really glad to have you here. So if you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon so that you can have all the latest updates of my videos. So friends, we are going to put the flowers and the leaves on all the branches. So we have almost put all the flowers and leaves on the branches, but we are not done yet. We are going to put these beautiful butterflies on the flowers. What are flowers if there are no butterflies here? These are handmade butterflies made with ribbon, and don't worry, we are going to make all these flowers, all these leaves and these beautiful butterflies in the coming up videos. I couldn't make these flowers and leaves and butterflies in one video because if I had done so, it would have been one hell of a long video then. And I know a long video can be very irritating, so we are going to do all these things, but we are going to do them slowly and gradually. Put a dot of glue on the wrong side of the body of the butterfly and then stick it on the flower, on any place you would like your butterfly to be. How do you like this other glass? Do you think it's really different and completely different from the first one? Tell me in the comment section below. You know, it's not only a center table piece, but it's also a candle stand. So I am going to turn on this LED candle and I'm going to put it in the glass. I'm going to turn off the light so that you can see its full impact, how the candle shines out of it. I hope you enjoyed learning how to decorate a broken glass and turn it into a unique center table piece. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more DIY projects and crafting ideas. See you in the next video and thanks for watching.